for our clients to trust us and to trust the product, we need to be always honest and transparent with them. So I don't think there's any software in the market that doesn't have sometimes problems or bugs. But we're really honest about it, and we communicate clearly if there is a problem, when it's going to be fixed, how it's going to be prioritized. We discuss with our clients to assess their business impact and see how this problem affects their day-to-day business, and we try to prioritize accordingly. We don't want our clients to suffer because some mistakes were made. We can't be perfect. Sometimes there will be mistakes, but we own up to them, and we try to give our clients the best support possible.
Of course, we are doing a lot of customer interviews. We see how the customers are using the platform, and we try to improve the user experience for them. And from the customer interviews, we select the needs from our customers and implement features or tools and so on to try to resolve those needs.
One of the most important and also the most fun part of our jobs is feedback. We always stay in touch with our customers. In order to obtain a better product, we need to understand our clients, and we can only do this by talking to them all the time. Either if it's in a one-to-one interview, or if it's surveys or just emails and any other feedback we collect from the support team. We try to stay in touch with our clients' needs and their ideas. You wouldn't imagine how many great ideas we got from talking to our clients, because they're using this product every day. They know what they want and they know what they need, and then they can give us some really great ideas that maybe we wouldn't have thought about it because we don't use it as they use it.
Mostly the reaction is, whoa, this feature blows my mind. For example, I had one time a customer that was interested in automate a lot of their jobs, and I presented the Pentest robots feature, and his mind was blown away because he truly understands that he can automate 80% of their daily tasks using Pentest-Tools.com.
There should always be a mix of efforts between what we can do as a cybersecurity company and what our customers as security specialists can do.
Working in customer success is a rewarding job because what we do actually has an impact on the strategic direction of the business, because we're the client's advocate, let's say. When we discuss with the development team, we're representing the clients. We know their pain points, we know what they want, and we can help them prioritize according to the client's most pressing needs.
I think we are making an impact on making specialists understand that they are not alone in the process of scanning or assessing a specific target. We acknowledge the fact that in this industry you can't rely on a single tool at all. Therefore, we don't try to pretend that our scanner is the best or our report is the best solution. We try to integrate all the steps in a pen testing process in a single platform. And it's okay if you have a custom tool which does the job for your very specific task, or if you like our scanners and use them via platform, or if you, I don't know, are a fan of another specific tool, but you would like to have a single place where you maintain all of your pen testing efforts. You want to have that one point which brings together all your efforts.